Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum. Okay, we are going to do the questions, and our first question today is Rish a male or female? Is Rish a male or female? क्या Rish एक लड़का है या लड़की है? ठीक है, लड़का है. Is Rish a male or female? Male is for boys or man, and female is for girls or women. Now answer is Rish is a male. Rish is a male. Now question number B is, does Rish have fur or hair? Does Rish have fur or hair? Rish के ऊपर जिस्म के ऊपर क्या था? Fur थी या hair थे? What he had on his body? No. Read the sentence. Read. Open your book from page number 14. His fur is white. His fur is white. So Rish has fur and it is white. Rish has fur and it is white. What is fur? Okay. I don't see anything furry here, so I cannot give you an example. Okay. You know about hair. We have hair on our body. We have hair on our body. But the cats have got very soft hair. Very soft. Okay? That's called fur. That's called fur. Okay? Rish has fur and it is white. We have got two questions here and you are going to remember the answer. Tomorrow I'm going to ask you about, is Rish a male or female, and you are going to answer Rish is a male. And the second question, does Rish have fur or hair, and you are going to answer Rish has fur and it is white. Yeah, two are more than enough for you. Thank you.